So we change the brake pads. In order to do that, we've got to push the brake pistons back. By doing that, it will push fluid back through the system to the reservoir. We don't want the fluid overflowing, so it's going to suck some fluid out. A bit of rag over the brake fluid reservoir just to stop any dust and debris that may get in there while we're working. So now, got our new brake pads. Always got to check that they're exactly the same parts. Putting them back to back like that. A complete mirror image of itself, and we can see just how much wear that the old pads have compared to the new ones. So what these are brake pad slides. These clip into the brake pad carrier, and the brake pads sit in there. We need to make sure there's no corrosion on them and that it's all nice and clean, otherwise it will decrease the gap and the brake pads will stick and bind. Some brake pads come with new ones, some come about, but obviously it's such little miles and the guy's waiting for this job. There's nothing wrong with the old ones, so just give them a good clean and pop them back. Working practices, so if there's anything we can help you with your vehicle, car or light van, please get in contact with us, either through the Facebook page, leave a comment or a like please, or through our Instagram as well. We can get back to you. Also don't forget we're up now on YouTube, so any comments there and we can reply to those as well. Thank you.